Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
जब से मैंने शो साइन किया है, I've been continuously pepping myself by खतरों you're doing, and अगर मैं कोई छिपकली भी देख लेती हूँ तो दूर जाके मैं I will be like खतरों कर रही है, you're helping me, खतरों कर रही है, तू खतरों कर रही है, because I know the more I listen to others, the more it's going to pollute my head and more anxiety it's going to create in me. सबसे ज़्यादा डर जो है वो मुझे वाटर का है, कि अंडर वाटर स्टंट करना, it's really scary for me. Hi, this is Niyati Fatnani and you're watching me on India Forums.
So, hello Niyati, welcome to India Forums. How are you doing today?
Thank you, I'm doing great. How are you?
We are doing good. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, so खतरों के खिलाड़ी 14 कैसे हुआ, कैसे आपको अप्रोच किया गया शो के लिए?
हाँ, तो मुझे तो बस कॉल करके अप्रोच किया गया. There was no other drama कि नियति would you be interested in doing खतरों? बट हाँ, फिर मैंने सोचने में थोड़ा टाइम लगाया बिकॉज मेरी पर्सनालिटी वैसे है नहीं कि मैं एडवेंचरस हूँ या स्पॉटी हूँ. तो मैंने थोड़ा टाइम लगाया सोचने में कि हाँ मैं खतरों करूँ या ना करूँ. आई एम मोर इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स डांसिंग, डांसिंग जैसा कोई रियलिटी शो कर दूंगी. बट देन आई थॉट दैट आई एम ऑल्सो समबडी वर्क वाइज आई डोंट लाइक कंप्लेसेंसी एंड आई लाइक टू ग्रो. So why not use this opportunity to to grow and to entertain my fans in a new way that they've never seen me and they would have not even expected कि नियति खतरों के खिलाड़ी करेगी and this is my first reality show. So yeah, I'm kind of which is why I said yes.
Okay, was the show offered to you before? If yes, why did you reject it and why did you say yes for it now?
It was offered to me earlier as well, but I was already, doing some other shows, so I couldn't, commit back then. But now I had an opportunity because I hadn't signed, and as I said that, I kind of wanted to fight my fears and grow, and which is why I said yes.
Okay, what kind of preparations have you done?
Physically, so I've always, focused physical fitness and but khatro is also something that you have to focus on mental strength as well, that how you can fight your fears. It's all about this thing. So हाँ, जब से मैंने show sign किया है, I've been continuously pepping myself by खतरों you're doing, and अगर मैं कोई छिपकली भी देख लेती हूँ तो दूर जाके मैं I will be like खतरों कर रही है, you're helping me, खतरों कर रही है, तू खतरों कर रही है. So yeah, that's that.
जैसे आपने मेंटल और फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ की बात की, तो अगर आपको अपने आप को रेट करना होगा मेंटली एंड फिजिकली, तो क्या रेट करोगे?
Mentally, out of 10.
Yeah, out of 10.
I'll give myself 8 for mental strength and physical strength 8.
Okay, are you friends with any of the contestants?
Yeah, I know Aditi Sharma, and show के दौरान we've met Asim, I've met Krishna, and I'm really pally with both of them.
Okay, any tips and tricks you have received?
No, I haven't, जो भी ex contestants थे उनसे मैंने बात नहीं की about the show, that I would want to know what is it, how is it, because I know the more I listen to others, the more it's going to pollute my head and more anxiety it's going to create in me. So I avoided. जो भी मैंने परेशान किया है, इन लोगों को परेशान किया है कि कैसा स्टंट होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है, तो इनसे मैंने बहुत ही बातें की है and इनको परेशान किया है. But to contestants, I haven't spoken, ex-contestants.
Okay, which stunt are you more excited for and which are you scared for?
Excitement तो for any stunt, fear वाला excitement है. जो डर वाला, सबसे ज़्यादा डर जो है वो मुझे water का है, कि underwater stunt करना, it's really scary for me. बाकी जो सारे स्टंट्स हैं मैं उसमें खुद को मेंटली पेप करके बोल सकती हूँ, ओके हाँ ओके हो जाएगा, फाइट हो जाएगा.
ओके, चूज वन, क्रीपी क्रॉलीज या शॉक स्टंट?
क्रीपी क्रॉलीज, नो शॉक.
Oh, I thought you would say shock.
No, no shock.
Any phobias or fears you have?
I said water.
What is your mindset towards the game? What will be your strategy?
My strategy honestly is to honestly not think a lot. I mean, and to not encourage your fear so much. I mean, हाँ मैं जब stunt होगा तो मैं थोड़ी डर जाऊंगी. That is going to be my raw emotion, but I'm not going to prolong that emotion a lot. I will, you know, calm myself down and go ahead with the stunt.
Okay, how excited are you to meet the host and work with him?
Rohit sir, of course, I'm super excited. I mean, you know, one of the reasons why I said yes for the show is to meet Rohit sir. I mean, to do stunts in front of him, and you know, it's going to be, I mean, intimidating also, and a good experience also, because you know, he's a master blaster of OG of stunts and stuff. So, but I'm sure, you know, मैंने जो भी episodes देखे हैं, is always the one who keeps motivating and pushing the contestants. You know, so I think I'm going to learn so much, you know, in order to like how to approach a stunt, or you know, how to fight my fears.